everybody, this is Praxis, and today I've been installing this unit, which I know a lot of you guys and myself for sure have been really excited about getting installed. This is a stove that goes in line with the smoke, like flue gas exhaust from the wood stove. So while I'm running the wood stove, the flue gas comes up here, goes around the cylindrical oven. It doesn't actually go in where you're cooking your food. There is an open space in here, and there's some racks that you can slide in here. So your food isn't actually in the smoke. The smoke goes up and around it on either side, and then it comes back together here and heads back up. These types of devices are really hard to get a hold of. I was searching for them for a while, and there's not that many places that make them. This is made by Cylinder Stoves in Chester, Utah, and they're always behind on their production. Whenever I've been finding them, they're always saying, oh, we're behind, we're not taking orders right now. I finally got one. It's been in storage for a couple of years, really, because as soon as I knew I could get it, even though the house wasn't even built yet, I made sure I ordered it so that I would have it. And here it is, and I've just been putting it in today. I removed the section of pipe from here up to here. This is the double wall Duravent 6-inch pipe here coming down, and it's single wall black pipe, again 6-inch. Below it, this is a little adapter piece here, and obviously this section here is the stove. I was hoping to get the whole thing done today, but I'm not going to be able to. One section of pipe that I removed was this adjustable piece, which slides on top of another piece, and that piece of pipe was 2 feet long, and between that and this adjustable piece that slides on top of it, the absolute shortest distance that you could make that, the shortest length you could make that was 25 inches. And this gap here is 24 inches. And even if I had gotten it down to 24 inches, it still wouldn't be okay, because the way you have to install this last piece is that you shrink it down a little bit shorter than it's going to be, you put it in place, and then you extend it up, and then you screw it in and everything. So I've ordered another piece. Instead of having the 2-foot section that goes into this, I was able to find an 18, or like a 1.5 foot long section that I gotta wait 5 days for it to show up. But once it does show up, I'll be able to put it in here and get that together. The reason I'm doing this right now, even though I'm not gonna be running the wood stove for a while, I'm really excited to try it out, but it's gonna be a while before I run the wood stove, is because of stuff like that. I wasn't exactly sure of whether I'd be able to modify the pieces that I had in there. So I wanted to do this project before it's heating season, because if I got this thing to this point now, when I need to run the wood stove, like what am I gonna do? Like just run it and kind of fan all the smoke? It'd be a problem. So I'm doing it now at the end of summer before I really need to run it, and in 5 days I'll be able to finish the thing up. But I'm super excited about it. I will definitely share with you guys how well this whole thing works out, because it's gonna be great. Whenever I'm running the wood stove, the oven will already be preheated and ready to go. I'll get kind of a sense of what the general temperature is in there. I'm really excited about this thing right here. That's it. Thanks for watching.